In restoration, equipment isn't merely a line item, it is the fundamental backbone of the entire drying process. Your dehumidifiers and air movers represent significant capital investment, inherent risk, and crucial operational readiness. In this essential lesson, we will explore precisely how to properly account for that substantial investment within your price list. We will also uncover why Verisk's so-called market rates simply do not tell the complete story.
Equipment makes mitigation possible and profitable. Every dollar that flows through your company starts with the machines that dry the structure. But those machines come with real ownership costs. Between purchase, maintenance, storage, and depreciation, rental equipment has to earn its keep, or it will quietly drain your bottom line.
Xactware's pricing is built from what tool rental companies charge on a short-term retail basis. It's not wrong, it's just incomplete. Their data doesn't reflect the economics of restoration contractors, who must maintain readiness, bear idle time, and manage cash flow while waiting for payment. In practice, Xactware's rates lag behind what real-world businesses must charge. When we applied the rental rate development method to calculate ownership, maintenance, utilization, and return on investment, our findings were clear. And the true cost-based rental rates restorers must charge are, on average, 19% higher than current Xactware pricing in our area. That gap represents real money, money left on the table if you use standard Xactware rates without adjustment. Restoration contractors act as banks for insurance carriers, often waiting over 2 months to get paid. The cost of carrying that receivable, 4.66%, according to RIA financial benchmarks, must be recognized in your pricing. When we combine that with the 19% correction to equipment rental rates, we arrive at a total equipment markup of 23.66%. Even though Xactware recognizes that overhead and profit are legitimate, most adjusters still deny them on mitigation invoices. So instead of fighting that battle every time, we build the financial truth right into our custom rates. This is not padding, it's math. It's how you keep your operation sustainable under carrier-imposed limitations. A 23.66% correction is not small. It is a complete recalibration of your financial foundation. This adjustment closes the massive gap between what Xactware assumes and what restorers actually experience. It transforms margins, stabilizes cash flow, and gives you the confidence to stand behind your numbers. Profitability isn't about arguing with adjusters, it's about pricing truthfully and sustainably. Xactware's numbers tell one story, but your business tells another. By applying the 23.66% equipment markup, you align your pricing with financial truth, not outdated averages. This isn't about gaming the system. It's about survival, sustainability, and setting a standard that honors the work you actually do.